So in this video, you'll learn how to update your Huawei Band 10. So the first step when it comes to updating this band is to open the Huawei Health app on your connected phone, whether it's an Android or it's an iPhone. So once you've opened the app, you then want to come to Devices, then you want to select your Huawei Band 10. Once you've selected it, ensure that they're connected. So if it still needs to establish the connection, wait for it, and then once both devices are connected, you want to scroll down until you get to Firmware Update. Select it. So from here, it will start checking for any updates, and if it finds an update, simply select Download and Install and wait for the update to be downloaded onto your Huawei Band 10. If there's no updates available, then you can just exit the Huawei Health app, knowing that your band is successfully updated. So just wait patiently for your band to receive any of the data that is being transferred during the update, if you have any available, that is. You also want to ensure that if your Huawei Band 10 didn't have enough charge, that it's actually charging so that it doesn't turn off during the update process or during the data transfer process. So just ensure that both your phone and the band are charging, Bluetooth is still enabled, and that you don't exit the Huawei Health app as the update continues. Once the update is complete, it will then start the process of installing directly. So just tap on Done to finish the process on your phone and wait patiently for your Huawei Band 10 to finish installing the update. And then once it finishes installing the update, your Huawei Band 10 will restart, and once it finishes restarting, it will have the new update added onto it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.